Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a raspberry lime pie. It's a fresh raspberry pie with a hint of tart, refreshing lime. So let's get started. To make this pie, you're going to need a pie crust prepared in a 9-inch pie pan. I'll link to a few videos showing how to make pie crust in the description box. And a big problem with pie making is an underbaked or soggy pie crust. So be sure to check out my pie crust troubleshooting video where I show how to prevent and fix an underbaked or soggy pie crust. Once the crust is ready, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. You can use fresh or frozen raspberries. If you're using frozen, don't bother thawing them, just use them straight from the freezer. If you're using fresh raspberries, wash them and pat them dry. Add them into a large mixing bowl and add in the sugar, cornstarch. If you're using frozen raspberries, use a little more since the raspberries release a lot of liquid as they thaw. Salt, cinnamon, allspice or nutmeg, lime zest, and lime juice. And gently mix them together until they're combined, trying not to break up the raspberries too much. Pour the filling into the prepared pie crust. Spread it out and let it come up a little higher in the center. Cut the butter into small pieces and dot the top of the pie with it. Roll out some more pie crust dough. And you can use whatever crust design you like to add to the top of the pie. I'm cutting it into thin strips, then twisting each strip and laying it all around the top of the pie. Then brush the top with a bit of egg wash for a nice shiny golden brown color when it bakes. Place the pie on top of a sheet pan to catch drips and bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. Then turn the oven temperature down to 350 degrees and bake it for another 40 to 50 minutes until the filling is tender and the crust is golden brown. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for at least 30 minutes. And you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make a raspberry lime pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.